In this video, you are going to learn how to create a complete form system for a website. The form submissions will automatically be saved into a Google spreadsheet, send an instant email notification every time someone submits a form, and work directly with a website hosted on Cloudflare Pages. No paid services, no backend server, and no complicated setup are required. By the end of this tutorial, the website will have a fully working form system connected to Google Forms and Google Sheets. Go to Google Forms. Click the plus blank form button to create a new form. Give the form a name. By default, Google Forms creates a multiple choice question. Change the question type from multiple choice to paragraph. Then simply write form as the question title.
Click on the Responses tab. Then click Link to Sheets. Choose Create a new spreadsheet. Give the spreadsheet a name, then click Create. This automatically creates a Google spreadsheet where all website form submissions will be saved. Inside the Responses section, click the three dots menu. Enable Get Email Notifications for new responses. Now, an email notification will automatically be sent every time someone submits the form on the website. Open the Settings tab. Under Responses, make sure Collect Email Addresses to Do Not Collect. This ensures anyone can submit the form without needing to sign in. Click Publish. In the pop-up window, make sure the form is available to anyone with the link. Then click Publish. Click Pre-fill Form. Inside the form, type Test. Then click Get Link. Copy the generated link. This is the link that will be connected to the website form. Go to the settings of the Cloudflare Pages project. Open Variables and Secrets. Click Add. In the variable name field, write form using all capital letters. In the value field, paste the pre-filled Google form link copied earlier. Save the variable. The variable has now been saved, but the functions inside Cloudflare Pages can only access it after a new deployment. To make this absolutely clear, first export the website again from the web builder. Then, upload the website again to Cloudflare Pages to create a fresh deployment. All the setup steps are now completed. Open the website and submit a form. Everything should now be working perfectly. The form submission is received successfully. The response is automatically shaved into Google Sheets. An email notification arrives immediately after the form submission. That's it. A completely free form system has now been added to the website by using Google Forms, Google Sheets, Cloudflare Pages, and the web builder.